me or see me or when we done it was yes do ya with me because maybe hero water.
Yes.
Okay, when I have with boy or mon west side in Nigeria. Okay, they are the same feather. Can't be or big line.
Okay.
You dey hear me? That one picking that not still born. You don't come off for it.
Okay.
Oh, we go on chalet all the whole party. I beg you. Men no be men, no be men on do.
Mama, because if you tell me,
Meti do they go be do with that. It was clapping every man when no be men learn.
if you tell me, Maybe no there. Or when a Suzuki, or when no take the matter say, or when because a hero we boo. Or when we are bad, no do ya time where in hero we bring it to a year. I want to see ya here.
No. Larry, my sister. Evani na change no man ama.
Okay.
Ujere we o makpe ni Suzy di tami ma we ebogwa galanti ebogwa wonona ekebene na no.
Yeah.
You dey hear me?
Mama.
Ebog ogwe iya he dedeni ya eye go woga be bana. No na we ere we ekebogwa fun eko o si yoke o si akara. Dede no we. We because he only a change. Now we adulterous. Onya na do amoni gwe. Oge no.
Okay.
Kwema obeju no eta we ye ebona ye. Ona muzi aboni ye vieji.
Yes. Ota.
Eni no kunu esuzu ladia. Oyi ma ya go egwana.
Kakabo.
Amaze tete ado gbe o. Emi ni meta mi we ge if you look wetin they talk so emi ni meta. Oyi ando ya agwana. You understand me? Yes. When me na have where una for come aside say so before okay do ladian you agba gbigbe agano ga agbe all ladian we megiro we bo bete bo makwe ni pa or when he stay or on na that one they pick now go to take the knife for her.
But another thing you give it that is also where the money ya go na mama the money ya is what it be because
yes,
you understand you no aso ko ba you no ta where even na ya sunu ne you na do muza born ebo vie according to what the words of the way ya judge na okay
yes,
so the same person that we born when ya say driving school ne ya wear driving school ne make na do moto ne okay we ke agu ne after we gi jore na ebe bogi da bana
oni mekhabona eba we yen we ebodo meshoda no vie yi ina we be ni meje ina je gbe make up ina be ni meje maybe wine maybe my yige we eri mi hia you understand maybe o ma no like keke ano o wa la we maybe wine ma iro beto we ni ekpa we ni arima
eri ano
we e click we ni ibe ka we I don't do the way some people they do am you know understand nobody will come and blame me. Oh. Because if you see me with man,
even wherever time mama, o my wrong better for one when I get a wrong la anybody know what time we perform with do. O was so much, even was so near never way. Yeah, boy, Suzuki.
Yeah, I give some making a quenia. You get me? Making a quenia because no when you done, give it to the person.
Hey, you know.
Since me when I went home, me do ta very mega agwana.
Oh, matter because he may go away. He may let me. I will
not accept that rubbish.
Yeah, guy, we now more. Mama be a canary now, or can't get there on no. Yeah, climbing it time. I will no.
Hey, how are you, my love?
Oh, that's not
nice. Thank you for calling in anyway.
Okay, come on, man.
Because I want to away me down. What the matter, money? Because if you man, you have to talk. If you man, you have a Facebook. Emi na ma gwagi mata ma
benu wala dia ba o wa make sure e mama se mi ateni e mama ge ije boy now e change mata na
mama ije ko e ma gbon ba wi me because e when ye jagwa ye me o gwa ye me even a baby ye gwa baby o ye si kokona ya ke ya be milaki ya gwa ni ya wo gwa na gwa ni ya Omana we need that. Give it to that person.
When so no nana. A make up on where e boy mo so gwa. Adobo me wo mana we gwa we man no ya gwa joy.
Oh, keke no gwa ka me we o seven lare. E wo seven we ki. E mi na no oma right. You understand?
Because mama so so the time when you fuck up. So iye boy got the body. Iye boy got the body. Where iye boy got the body. Taman will fuck up in bed. Tell me, go alagwa or marry bat. Or
He may not come everywhere. He went lagwa. You know what lagwa we ti la dia ma we no pa in Facebook we tem we na yo ni go.
Yes.
Wherever the Facebook yeah. I must say go.
You want no.
No, you not do that one. You not do that one. You won't change. You not fit change that for where we did. You understand? Let me tell you, this video where I want play now, is it not the one Monica take beat Mama Ego?
Mama B wavega even ye kive ya gwa na kota no de. Iye ki ma gwa ye mata na kedore adi.
No of Larry or egwe iye ki agwa yo because ni e wu yego. I ma save. We can igbinya no ka no gbinya no gun. A batty is a battle we gbe mara yin. Mike wa we say I renoje. You understand? According to him, we gbe ma na better ladia we.
Oh
man, pray no wu ero.
Mama, why given a yaki yaguave no denny? I have no supported me a baby, a woman no.
Oh, Tana, I change eh. Go, you make program on the can work a year go. Hey, Madame, how do you love it now?
Love you, okay? We. Yeti wa misa iwa atawe moi
na that one they want move now.
If you in any way related to me wetin I go do na me go come disgrace the remaining disgrace. You go get your way. When you sister me no win like a disgrace wala re wa to get disgrace. E Monica no so.
Ai ro vie na ka we toni.
Analyze disgrace always Suzy.
Oh.
No so Monica. So you dey select who you dey analyze the disgrace with joke. How you do analyze the shame and disgrace always Suzy. It's Suzy can Suzy. Una is one me no bell Monica. Una is one me no bell. Who beg even to hear where he is so young on our die. Wama jover and wakam believe no ye go to Buwa.
No one ya.
You go to Buwa better. No bell no fear. Continue watching, guys. These people, they are so biased.
Yes.
Now I'm going to say, Monica, you don't know social media area. But I will hear about Monica. I will hear no shout. I don't understand what you are offering to your family at this time.
Mama, I tell self-love, you get to remove Johnny. I'm not very good. I'll be very good.
Okay.
You get self-love, you get to remove Johnny. Now, since Monica will be married, you get self-love, you get to remove Johnny. Or my wife call for my
when I zoro to now.
Walk.
Now let me not behave like that. I want we can make you space.
Make me happy. Disgracing yourself make you happy. No be she's they also small since West and Victor never for can you say other Arab men no they go for campaign.
We beg
you say no they go for campaign.
We beg a video.
You say other tribe, other people you know they carry entires.
And mama, Monica we feel one way or you go na Suzuki friend of Yana.
Oh, what friend there?
Okay, what's the imaginary? What's the imaginary one who go on ya cookie would have been on Lagua? Be a better to
Ebani Anna, see, ona imeno, begging, ona imeno, we don't see movie. You beg Macbe, Yego. Igba webe ni mejena ni amegiro webo. Ugwa se geta.
I want to live
for. We carwe, oru onune, oruwe ehone, oruwa pikone. Idi meno is a getaway. Very mejena na megiro webo. You get a webo.
Ubata.
Agba majo.
Oh, very mejena, you get a webo imoseni zene. Oh, the ladia wakwe wa the dag beme. Mother.
But here I walk by him again in our webo. You get. Agwa ewe egiro. As a public figure.
Go out, Monica, ye damn it, that on here, then a Monica way video, a Suzuki Thierry. With or big bigger gonna Zazawa. We're telling a video also, imaginary a video, a young one. Again, if you were or Bazulu. Here, the man is only one gay where here bears only little wood though.
Yeah, well, the fine pack is say, I what a fun. Yeah, I get this one go ahead.
Na we ihe kwa abo ma na mera mejede no me oye of
Well, no, ya love your kid, no sage. And then again, to la jan where Osage de Oamo, Osage, where in the Suzy, or where going, they will not give the money back where you will care. Okay, Vienna, where not do the any.
only we be me a be no so we no that but me ma be dey by when I be the man even go na Suzuki. Dey by that the way e nigga Suzuki zen. Oge Priscilla or Sunujo, ego Suzuki Sunujo. Suzuki Masunujo. You go in what zero.
Or we not borrow 2,500. You know,
25.
you're not here back, you're low. 2,500, or not in
When no ko wala wa when no ga isi on ye igwagbo.
Because in the etala dem me agree day now. When you change because we mag him man. Bedi me gena if me want ido akpoboyo ni na ego obi me retito obi me abeti me na ye ne lo wodo
me wa me wo la when ya ga yakin ga oge san ya ga kin oge do omo no wa we mi na wa focus no no we mi na la o ani me wa me wo
ni awa mo wa ni ye tebu we Suzy ehiro wodo o te we ne na do ati we di obi san no ari lagwa e me ne na mari lagwa obi san be o abi ge bu wodo agwa be si akpiko
ye de wa no
ona me obi san ni to be tu la dia o ami e to be tu la dia ma wo ekelu na yoko o ya bua uzuo ogogbo e
okay ni ye una na ge we Suzuki inye fi wi ya do awe nya na unu ya wa gboge bo ya unu ge
na we ye form odunga
no unu ge se ti gboge bo ya for copy no ko wa la wa
o e fi ne o feri ne bi jo
ebi ni wa ta no de we wa ke yen yen for copy wa forgive yen wa la
o ti wa e bebe e we de pe iwe video I know do Arabia Princess Meg. Princess Meg, eri ana me Princess Meg ana ya we we got daughter again. Okay, then we got daughter no we ana we Princess Meg. Then got daughter na we we. Iba na we.
Bara na we we.
Only day you are.
Mama tell you.
No, be say us. Ana ye motia no kwa. No we go je be na. Ana ye ba unu. Unu.
The worst part na see grandmama ni ete gbe ya age of 50.
Guys, we were comfortable.
As a grandmama ni ete gbe nana. As a grandmama ni ete gbe mama. Suzuki dey fall in love. Suzuki maka fall in love with them. Now why you be here to agbon no my
maybe na ya be my fall in love with them.
No, my
okay. Una don't fall in love with egbo me. O gbe ani e bi o me vani ma fall in love.
I give you your mama.
Be no mo le ki ase bu o pe tori no ke black we no ya mo bi tori to. O ma fall in love.
Oh, my can fall in love with them. This one
okay, what your man na eti bu wa. E wo de ke black we no. O ma fall in love.
O ma fall in love.
I no gbin e be tori no we Kaduna be Milano we ya. O ma fall in love.
Mama who bad ni Suzuki yari agbon to agbon ma iye. E ma na ni emu na. E won ge ipe so ro yo ma iye.
No, maybe o worry akpiko you know.
So wa go ni oni agage agwa fu ni mi video. Maybe a man na or maybe can you touch or maybe o yen tu no eta na we get a love. Maybe a man na jinye yare, man na get a wadi love in o understand. Honestly, I don't have that video on e go no zen e demand in 2005 in all the Suzuki. A breaking of heart in your kakabo dive. Oh no.
Oh, you bet the day ya when you break a heart. No, you are at the hospital. Who will get? Nobody go just use old age. See breaking of heart.
Mama, I like na break a heart. Alele. Okay, you done on 52 or 53. I'm not going to my video.
Then we no if your money. Ukbeare ni. Ye we kpe ayen ma. Ye break a heart. E ma ni gwe me go. O we o ma ni go give me money. O ma me re cash na wa free bank aboro. E go.
O we no see am. O we no see am
ta me gwe. E ma ni ta me gwe e gwe we ya be evie malake.
Mama, we no see
love the money. E to figure you figure.
Oh, I be when we not see the Suzuki na the no na the back ya mu gori. When we amia no make ka bole le da cake bo na ya mai we na ya li ya. Yes na. O mai wa amia no wa mu you na ebole lo make ka boy understand it.
Dare dege ni Suzy ya lele boy ha. My darling.
Ni ya o Italy o gbo ya no.
No ya le bejo na do mi ebo. No ke gbacha wo Italy we mi o. Eso de black wa do live Torino. O mama de no ya we bo.
Yeah.
If you pe black yen ya won na wo. O mama de no ya mo ke bo lawa. O ma understand?
Okay. Well, only na mama mo bo kon yo na ato yo ni ya ozo.
Okay. Okay, ni ebe a friend go again. No now I have Charlie Brown say. No when they see Charlie Brown as central, in na pa na central. When we are central no there Italy. Suzy to here. Nine all. Nine all.
Suzuki ya yen friend wo a. Oni atana, yen ma friend wo. Ato yen wa yen ya.
My wife not to put your mouth for you. We are going that.
Oh my God. I
want to greet you. Now greet, I want to greet my mother-in-law. Now greet, I want to greet you.
Where my children?
That day they sleep. Oh. Now greet, I want to greet you. Mommy, be on.
On the way.
Ofure, mommy. Are you the other side?
I do.
I see you. I don't share now. Say me I enter. I greet everybody when they online.
Yes, Mama, good evening.
Now Mama 6 be that too. I be Mama 7.
Lovette, good evening. Oh, how you day?
Good evening, Mama. Other side.
You see why they correct what is Suzy do? You see all my wife they watch me. See me go consider yes, Suzy do when I don't say all my wife, my children they are watching.
Everybody they watch you, mommy. Everybody.
I can never side bad thing. If you commit adulterous. That's simple.
Mommy, though, we say more God greet you. May they drag me now. I can't greet my mother-in-law. No wala.
I don't want me to drag you at all.
But this one not.
That the night can't know.
This one not reach to drag me.
You don't know that. Yeah. You don't know that.
Nado. Yes, so. Mommy, bye-bye. I go bath them.
I love you.
Yes, mommy. Bye-bye. Ciao.
Yeah.
Oh, Mama, they talk now. This one now. Mama Suzy.
This one. Confirm.
Okay.
Now this man, now he come fall in love. Now make him be like that. Because if say he understand the system of a Daki, this behavior, Mama, he not supposed to bring her out. If you bring this behavior come and foolishness, number one, why Daki will tell you say no see money to rent house? Person we don't take for Europe.
And when you get children,
yeah,
they say get children from
what do you call they do where you know they work? Okay, what do you call they expect? And they want make me give you money.
You not feel back to. See, you know say now wetin would they teach our women? Okay, first time you jump black boy, you not fit pay for hotel where you won't go sleep with you. Number two, you not get house in your personal. Maybe tell you say to Igbo not day. You not fit go rent house in your personal house. That kind of person, you not say na F. You not say na failure. If they find woman house where wants to
you don't understand them. Now make her go for their hand. You don't understand them. Because of that, they want to do as a odogu. Now you want compare for this one.
Now wetin they both for? He say if the man won't come talk to her, go just naked. Like baby. Can't you tell her say please tie rapper? Can't you prove that? Yeah, what don't care? Oh, what would you wow?
And you see they talk another thing yesterday. They now say, this woman never you know what it there at all. This woman you not know what it there. He say that man go call and he go tell her say, open your cloth for me. He say he know they open. Okay, you know they open that one, and you they go hotel go follow this man go sleep. No man, this man go give you some drink as lovey. Drink small. Now go make love. Okay, he not the naked. He not the naked. I be there na crash there for the door.
Hey.
If they don't finish, he not the sleep.
Play. They not they play before
they not they play. He know what after he don't sleep, he know what that man go fit video.
Eh?
He don't know that key for life. He don't know them.
Only one over or one more.
Get one way brand no Gabriel come out that day. He say one get. He go buy this air fresher. He go buy, put camera for his side. He say go put her for parlor, he go put her for room. That girl don't say that air fresher say camera dey. Okay, you with the crowd now say you know open body for a bed. You with a one make love, you open body.
You see, huh?
You with a one make love, you open body. If that one come video you come, you they say I take come out.
Okay, no, he do one. I dey tell you. You dey hear me?
For where you for mama for me.
The man go just naked come.
For me, for where mama
the man not the fear say what if you record and the way one take record destiny that time.
Eh.
Because I got daughter do destiny all that time.
Eh.
Who carry destiny go like come and say na Suzy.
Na that one me know that so they will say that
beg not do one where agbole woman now we me down pay. It won't do bad for this social media.
That destiny bola. Three of them, goddaughter, his wife and Monica. Three of them who carry that thing come out.
Not be wife, now Suzy. Now, see, not be wife, not my what they happen for them. Now, you know, say that time, me and the Suzy will be friends that time.
Okay.
You know, he got daughter na video run. He can't give Kimi your girlfriend.
Okay.
When he don't set, he says Kimi your girlfriend don't delete her. Now that one say still get am.
Okay.
When you not bole, we regbe Suzy. Suzy now we amunekwa, my kwe, a disgrace I like, if I like, na mugia yana guy be WhatsApp pa.
But in your guitar, say yeah with Monica guy.
Okay. No. One ni the oje boy avigbe was. Hey, I'm give Monica. When Monica worried line, you know what say we can get.
Okay.
When again maybe Monica Michael now. Yet to do more okay buy.
No.
O worried line na say we can get with WhatsApp. Don't want to say again. It's Suzy. Me call na. Ina David we na man o na call yo giye kigwe e ki agwime ogwime ma agbole ko na do tie o wi e ku amos to gbole e no wa no jegba eju
no wa wo me
o ma ni e ko le ki na ya ga ni ohun si iye le ku ege be na o say manata nobody knows tomorrow
akabo
when you are doing something with sense
akomi we dokma
yeah do something with sense. Don't because of her like Benny, iye boy yo wodore bebe, igwebe magwa. Although I like it to that say, if yes, I am like him.
La wo mama, iye boy wata ni ege son we mother son. Teto ado address e wasu no iye boy iye Suzuki. Maybe we are
back. Me when lele, e when ya sikoko yaro bi yes an evani. Me agwa sikoko e very okpa hin ugwe. But he were very because I'm mature said me. You dey get me to?
Yes.
A brain in a okpa.
Okay,
if you marry, yeah, you should say you not stay husband house. You will not pray, make your children not still stay husband house.
Kakabo.
It's something that mother will put on for breast. La what the man go me, la obi me, you what the way go. No making that go, no making that total you what. Not be so that they take prayer.
Nine.
But yeah, boy, yeah, video. Yeah, what
they call the sort Asian. What they call up now Asian get this matter.
Yeah, no, they want you know say na so that they won't find topic to cover topic. They say Suzy not the husband house. They're not talking away. Now today I know say not the husband house. After if I not motoring you any.
Remember when you someone and you san kana dollar because it's okay san. Or no your friend the obvious san. Abi. Let's see we go friend Naisha.
No, na bini boy man.
Why is Shamatako come for Isaye na?
Na ye boy. Tebe mi laki.
O me minata when ya wa bitana ba atase.
Wait, no mo tell you why ame. Ni agwalo ni agbe reverse. Ni aya moto na duria.
Because I got so as soon as sana, some so la do mo we wa time ya me we la diaba. Then me be ho ba na we do me be kim etama my head I know, not do like that. No see ah. It la that they go. No.
You go viral okwo
not good.
I be agbena.
I be that agbena, not good at all. No good.
Mama we ni ta ki magbeyin, emi da no ure. They advice no my dori ne.
You don't want no.
Then me ti da emi da, especially no na adulterous na mekwe. If they at the come aside, they avoid women. If you not say you not don't tire of your men, leave there. Leave there. Don't let anybody come and fool you or laugh you.
Ni mewa guyiwo. Iye we iye kalele iye kide. Or where ebi ihe ya dikiroba. Where you not go back before?
Away ben ya dikiroba. Yee. Ekiroba. Tak ben dikiroba mu nebo. Iye we boy o. Tak pe en dekiroba iye mu yobo ebubo. O we bo kwa yo boton ni wenwe. Mu yoro na aswe. Iye agbe kwa na.
Abo.
Bete ebo ni lele ebo lele. 1 minute. De boy Suzy lele no o gbe kwa. O lovable. Ke black. Because ke amana winner. Unu winner.
Apart from that one, me mama, it's a magic mama where Emi Rokomasu no dabo. Eke bo a base of working on wine on my strong. Suzuki counted the yard down with Daki. I believe so.
Oi metana we no ma strong yini. Iye mweke roba na no gbe aso since akpiki yin o we akpiko yin we get ota. O we akpiki yin we ri oji.
O go aga amase ga na ba ya mo no ni yakinu ga ewe. I beg me you take get Martina that one you do it that's a lawyer that he know he no wise that woman no wise
so in a mugu
he no wise
you look at me and I mean they tell people say this smart you understand what I mean this smart when you are using it use it with sense oh now forget say oyibo no gets vibe. Yeah, you not get vibe.
I not tell you. Now because of that one, you go carry black.
Well, you not get vibe. If you want me, you not get vibe. Now you not go get vibe. You dey hear me so? Now every time they talk for you know, you boy marry. No, I'm make a marry. No time when I am a vibe. Now you go make the Igbo get vibe.
Mama, I'm a boy so now marry. Boy, all you day young, all day young. Better wherever you go marry old man. Oh, do matter na eboga na why no yes no here.
Again ni na me o ma working on my video, but maybe nanya won pe na again maybe o be do fion mani awo.
O ma say we just ma say 60, Suzuki 52. O ma say
oni ma. Enenebo. Oye o se video.
Every rock magiro do according to Mama Suzuki when ye ya galanty. When ye name ya kan because o ma kwa say girl before. Iye te o ni ese girl ni o ya dejo the woman never eat life o me ri agbon
any matter where okay since you want to follow my baby no black you know and we do be man when I wear near be social media near well who can those girls no way that's any men have problem who say go do ka Igiro webo my walare ni do just wow. Even in me webo.
Oh, I go for no hair we follow up.
Emiro pare va do kami awe. Igiro maybe a bomb my divorce in the magi raw. I'm not do best to God.
The reason you want to yata way in a gele lovey, near your guali girlfriend, they no care here.
A woman.
No,
yourself. Yes. As a woman is supposed to know himself. He not do that. He not do that one. Beautiful mommy. He not one. He's supposed to know himself. What he is supposed to come as I say, me with this man, we don't divorce. Because he tell us, say, he put bride price for his head. Owa mugo jomo owa mugo jomo
Ogele mujo a.
Ijeba. Mejoa, even when no me be anu ya we, oku wa no mwebo ya we marry be. Eni okpa na sam no be. Iya mwebo. When
the reason ya no mama, if fraki na ta we, sisi ye ta we ebo mu go jiyon. If fraki ta no the we allegedly we ama de bo mu go jiyon. Ye ka sati ti adulterous. But sisi do you know ya ta na ge bo mu go jiyon.
Eni unu ya ta. Eni ye ju ye ya no fai manelena.
Ai. Iye me.
No understand.
Ai. Suzy, when you allow, only me one me, well, the mono yala, the mono ya is a take bay. You know one lawa.
Okay, okay. If you black ina, no ya mwe boari Nigeria. Nebo ya mugo ya One. Yeah, what we cut here satisfied. Agua mugo yo. Boy ni magwa. Okay, na gbo bege go ya mugo ya
No na, ya buga.
Suzy to gata we bo mugo jomo. Ogwa mugo jo. Agbo mere you dey come up. Come up with menu do ta.
When no gije na all the picture boni ya be boya we marriage in Nigeria re.
We wa gbo okuku onaga so. Ya na re, ya we me magbo kuku me mama re na we o me mama re cut marriage you. Wa do sungu. Ubege.
The court marriage ni according to Ediana na. O ye no be. Na o be we gbese.
Na ba be ye gbe de via.
Only not on your son mewo because okay no wa gbe no da wa re na. Oh, you know wa gbe we no wa.
Na me e dere won be ni agata. Ina ebe ni make it de na segbe. Okay. I wa do mu go do se ni ya se.
On your dagajina.
Usop bakara.
On your dagajina.
Dino what to no wa avie. Don't make good. All those are batame.
No, that one don't make good.
Na ga me we imen wa amamu go yo hu ibukon yakara. Iflet. Yet koreba you kon go Where say wa na me go egbe bia bona wa na yen egbe.
Don't we go, Johnny, on your dagajina. Because in your wild time, and even dead on equal one moment, able when they did I time when I don't go, John. Don't we go, John.
No, why is son never when the black boy don't go, John?
Also, possibly I enjoy being on your matter. Also, put no enjoy bay.
Yeah, they added the no can my coach here. Yeah, me point. Oh, what the Pamagua or give a Magua? Who is supposed to no,
on your best, Mamma. Sometimes I mean, I see they teach that all this kind of teaching. I mean, I see they teach.
The teacher, home. Feel like you can't feel like maybe need Donny. We go to we go to do you know the concept?
I will not say 49-15. When I was going to Wamujo, why? Or my coffee.
The big way. We go to I mo go John enia apiko ye toli anke
egbe wa wo me
ya bakara
egbe emi ni ewuna mama when we not suppose you not fit a woman since you makari alo o maka anything o maka go o maka rie mi o no rie mi ikaka ba
okay ke ni wa bi okwo efian
thank you okay ke ni wa de okwo ebe ni ame Ghana wa guna na wa ko la wa ija I do me ge Ghana ka ga mi ewe yeta me Ghana we le remodi la sikodo
no ibe ta no be sono me o we be ni mai se do o mai introduce me mai je
dede
where would they go my sister
egbe wa wo me
oh we or introduce he take me to his senior brother he not take me to his mama
only call for mama only call for
be ni meje na make him force it by we come to my mama
wa
oh yeah be force me he can me we la dede joma powder ni beg
Suzuki Amado to do get my way. How only what do you want to say?
Mommy. Diabo. My beautiful sister.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, my love.
Yeah, ma.
You know this Mama Suzy matter, eh? If I tell you say na me the thing shock us, you not go understand. Well, Mommy Suzy, eh? For me, my everybody know the part when for shock and or pain. Eh? Like me, part when for shock me, eh? Really shock me. No be say she go follow person, no be that one consign me.
No be that one be our problem.
Mommy, I dey come. You know this life, eh? Mama na Benin woman. Yes, so yes, so what be me? I was born and raised in Benin. Where Ragbona, Igi hated on one of Fianyagbe. I so much dislike. I don't know what to talk. I know they like him.
Dislike.
Oh, to me, who are meje, Emma, Yaguta. Then the mommy Suzy wa ladi on the social media ni. Oh, my can you the game where I am married? They can woman that they married. Don't know how you can't be there, your boy. Because the last time I checked, me one day where because you are a married woman and I don't want what dinner I've never seen all over the world. Okay, we know what la diami. Oh, I give my where Erijo.
Yes.
I'm married me hero word. I told God, Roge paru for si wasu nuna. Ele gwe ele.
At all.
But okay, where no gwe man nuna do me enana do asiye tata like I better pass my neighbor now. Is this? Name me Suzy where I like social media. Emo bo wa ni gbinogo biyen iwinere gbinanede de ogiye kaka. I message to this. I message to this. Message people are hero who no don't why they the mommy Suzy yari e bajo. A live video ni ke ye when ye
Emma.
Only una mia ebo yana do janya who that coming up bolofua. Okay, maru where the chieftaincy title where me even una do muakpa ni jo where amaru where and to the extent una do he boy any o sarie me he almost sarie me nebo.
Okay, boga sare motie.
O sarie me ya go Hey, ni o sarie me o wa mu yare Nigeria agwa we traditional marriage o wo ga talogbe mo ta wa no talogbe le de netoge because wa do atalogbu do atebo
wa me kam wa go ho na mafia o ge ru no je you know why
wa gboro okay desa okay iyo me mai we uga ohwo owe ohwo no e pure water na ga de no pia o be ni eje na iya dobo ye school bia ya lu won le no pia o ga wi yin ri kun o ma na ri go ni ya sile gbe ari awebo
aga na Suzuki ya kele no wekele na Suzuki friend the boy na me
okay this okay can you tell me now okay na here what was the reason for all those
Suzuki friend the boy na me that they no kele no wekele na man aga na e boy na zo ene
can you imagine okay this okay now where wo bu we o nu we rent ne enu we mu e amedon go bu we jin we page o e flat. Okay, then the mommy why you gbase ni 51 years to 52 years. E ban ye hu we god daughter.
Okay. I mean that am we ba go ma say.
Disrespect in over on any error because a god daughter we ni wo here ya respect we. Do you know here ye no e? Wo here ya drag line no here na gbe we so
Mama, Damio, listen. A god daughter again when a Suzuki again as a young lady, the Suzuki again me. A Suzuki feel where the same level you have got daughter need so a whoever Suzuki. Mother, and now I do brigade that Suzuki are no man because he give a say again. Again, your maka send a being you saw enough. And I buy we a dog man on okay. Can you imagine, Mama? Onaga we okwa we him mommy di okwo we get game bo if not if na you not go eat for that money you don't go eat
I go eat too.
So Suzuki no taro de boy o get the generi aboyin na be my man ivege. Anybody can eat.
Origeme dave ho. Ubegi ikpianu mie na.
If you good person, you will not touch.
Dave ho mommy de ubegi ikpianu mie na Imayo na side e paru fosu. Lene mommy Suzy wa my classes sexy grandmother ni my yo. Lene wa gima we in fie ogbe. Onyo wa dimebo. You may to understand. Or we a guy. Dave ho na. Enenu ma ya lele wo ma ta ne e video ya reva de cut in oba e video na enenu no you know eta evident in the cut ya no eni me bu weta na umada style no enu so we got to follow enenu no e ma ya judge okay ni je me na egwu yin wa nye kie dakine ni agu agbijego hypocrite. That is the hypocrite me ma like when me jenania. Okay, why mommy Suzy why social media? He make everybody believe where he only be perfect. They live a life in area.
No, at all.
I know I'm not perfect, my sister. Accept the fact that you are a human being. Don't behave that you are too much. No, Emma. And the mommy Suzy go better my way, Any haton any my way. A paru forcing a revenge or job against mommy Suzy. I will prove it to you. Go better muwa. Ekene. Iyake target mommy Suzy. Uwe ne mommy Suzy ya you no mwikye doria. Ose ni na ka me live video presenter iko ni raw. Honi ya guide ye. Ina wa live video presenter na okwo. You no mo bo mwikye Nigeria ri agbe. Mind what you say because iyan ye fake account ile luwaya. When mommy Suzy ya bragado we no ya agboro after ye wa me ni emi we okpani e ka biele na okpani e biele na no ma worki ogoma di apin ye jo wa yen wa san face 11 minutes after 12 why ki yo be black gbin emi ki yo be daki o sari ene na oni wa sen yen black wa o yen ti ligo no ma ne ku wa talo ke na we ma we ipe Nigeria biba ipe domake de iya gbenu eyoto eninu we iya ko aro iya is we ipe na be ni mani ko le gossip we me ipe di me ya gossip ise ma we ma ipe le total iya mu video rejo iya go khona no no e wa uterere iya we no worry I go knock it back for grant yes ipe wa we
they go back yes we me tana
sister Lovette we me tana. That is the latest nikbe dogi una mekamu when I webo na ya wo na okay e worry warrior o e ba 10 men here bet your won when because if you can't ya yaleluwe aka giokpa ana hia giokpa e gie de the country nuje amwemu we too much igbe okwo we ki live video amwemu we are no time the bejon le bejon aya amwemu we amuvelo pe anore jemi we are where Jimmy was ye, amwemu amuno ye dono ritali when a set up track was ye when odo kore mama they follow you action lady oka temi no of your when you ka sweep water in
mama be sister wa me dame yo mudane when Suzuki na apart from the Suzuki emanide yeze Suzuki ni understand uka your word on it or word on mama to live to a word on Ajona mama when go marry easy okay yes where you or mama na daroge book when we give you the book ya kevani da ya you know we dodge kwa ni what we imagine very easy where even Nigeria na logo on you say ni mana set the first one yeah. So when you na iya akogwe nwa ya lele what say magina very zero nana mi we age of 52 ye to ya kula gana
when we not see a mommy wa believe a word that based on your live video presenter ni in na do we in the upper hand that was a guarantee motamwe
upper hand some men when one come sleep with a live video presenter he know say he go sakpo I tell you. Thank you, Austin.
What does that?
I tell you.
Sister Lovette, on your guarantee on mommy Suzy web ye na respect to ge ni ye na fi we ye ma pa ye ma we ye na wa respect to ge eva no na dengia
Okay.
Thank
In
you,
your
Suzy.
target.
Thank you.
You might understand.
Yeah.
In your target. A target, what am I saying? Who better than hear all those fake love in the parufos you are playing a mommy Suzy forget na F9. A movement go with bay. Or where or who any no yagboru or no way being no we are Johnny ya gave me can
Thank you for the gift. Thank you.
you understand? Always cannot work was a mommy Suzy. Oh, we here, and that was what the man did. Okay, Gele Seva, we are getting no ya gwe mommy Suzy here for 2 years of relationship. Who might introduce the argue when I'm going to mommy Suzy my way to first with Jamie.
Mama, only metaba mama.
You see, say Nigeria when Suzy to go this last one. He not stay with the grandchildren. He not stay with the. He stay hotel.
Yes.
If this man they hotel.
Okay, Mama, only me where ogenogi je gona sunu ne ija kina agwajo. E Suzuki Fred man ane. O se Suzuki mana ko me gbera ko wa ko me yari ebo yari zingwe ijeme. Inyo gwege na no go me ge do sunu ya na. E love your work padu ya oberi oni na.
Even when from Victor come talk say on you man mana we akin owo to agbe. Artistic contokan owo nu he man mana we iya ba me wa jaje mata wa no.
Okay.
Where mommy
get the from Victor where o wa ti where wa enwin na ayobo kan wa ri so apikin wa dun o wa we you understand.
when the mommy now was telling
the guy need to win. That is from Victor. Oh, get it to keke job. When you now want to or say from Victor massacre. Oh, I bet your winning they done.
Mommy, when the mommy Suzy ma understand there. Yeah, when you want to take care of anywhere responsible, may we can no. Wow, I be a never been in Europe now frustrated. No, you don't go no more time. When the mommy Suzy Jena, a gentle guy, name any swag or matter, polo, wait, but I'm now a big wag, but not the passport is or ya toast them mommy Suzy, eh? Oh, but a book we are very mommy Suzy te needs. You may understand. A very easy going guy. Good.
Yamamu.
But we
Thank you for your gift. Make I let guy. Yeah. See, make I tell you, not say now people go they believe what you they talk. When I they talk, say a matured woman.
Thank you for the gifts. Thank you.
All those way they talk about Bola, they're not responsible.
Okay.
When you're responsible, you cannot come and open mouths. They say, Bola, you are not responsible. Teach children what they have to learn. Teach them good thing. Teach them something really responsible. I not go feel all my life video say, and they can't teach people, Bola biggie, Bola small. No, I'm too big for that.
Don't not fear where Suzuki with me. When nobody go ahead in any know your friend Okpa. No here bag. Any Okpa no really decorum. Any Okanga in ya. Any Okanga in ya.
You know what I thought? 1 minute, if to say Suzy get sense, sense. Benny Meje, you know what though? Did they hear me? You see this TikTok where we did. I go your right hand there. And the teacher say you go to say I need the man. Now you go even they select you. You go even use that the cash phone. Thank you, Austin. You understand?
Exactly.
You go even use that the cash phone. Any man will come, you go select. If fine, this one not fine. You go say turn around. You go choose your choice. Let people to know your whole part of story. Say this is the kind of man I need. Then you back your mindset. I won't understand. Then who do I wear? You feel me?
When the mayor who can say mommy go when the mayor who can say obey mommy Suzy na make when I introduce Okpaika me imana
Mommy Okpaika, good evening.
Good evening, my love. How you doing?
Good evening. Good evening, my sister.
Good evening, my big
Abe, more than no verse. Oh, now sorry, my mommy there. Now waiting mommy Okpaika talk yourself. I mean me your question request. Now man wait fine. Now a woman wait no waiting fine come life supposed to they look for being a man. Wait no waiting it now man wait ready for life. Now you supposed to
Yes. God bless you, bro.
Because mommy Okpaika talk one thing just now say you go they select, you go say this one no fine. You know the problem many of our sisters and some of our mothers get for this Europe. Then they still they live the life where they live in the time of Nire.
Yes.
Now they still they live till tomorrow. But at the end, many of them come they catch their mama wish, they catch their sisters or their brothers wish. And another one again, one of my sisters talking just now say, since Oyibo man don't give and go ahead, make it go friend man. None of us they there where the Oyibo man give and go ahead. Nobody the Oyibo man call for phone saying me give and go ahead. You understand? But there is something we don't need to be saying in public. It's a disgrace to the see say a Benin woman where they with man for us. They say now another man nine about 3 belle for. It's a very big disgrace, and you deal with man for us. You see what they make some children. You see, and they come, my mommy there. You see what they make and be say some people go born, their pikin go they see sickness, they don't know where from they come. No knowing that say now waiting their mama or their grandmother do, now they worry those pikin. You say now white man, you they do this thing to them. White man no me say no get waiting, they still they forbid. One of those things they are among waiting. One of those things they are among waiting make white Italian people they kill our sisters for inside room that time. If they carry they go cut, they go say they no well say they decrease.
Mama, in
brother, you know say you know say Suzy talk say he can't tell you Igbo when the thing done the hot he can't tell you Igbo as he tell you Igbo can't give him a shoulder. He said first of all he not agree. He said after 3 days now Igbo come to say okay no problem. Igbo come answer and say do you really love the man? He say yes. Okay. He love her. He love her. Now Igbo can't give him a shoulder cry put. You know say if na son Igbo when you tell me that 3 days in oh ya gba le poison oh ya gba ewo.
Mama no nata mama wey dey talk say if na son Igbo Oyibo kin yen ni when we ni here way when we no set you because a love Hana a love Atana
you know whether he even tell the Oyibo not be wetin he come tell us for outside.
My mommy there.
God bless you.
Yes, so now we dey here. Wait to bros. When mama thought just now say if to say na he will write and put make they turn around. I know the reason why mama talk that word just now. Because she dey hide under say she married. So as she dey hide under say not be say man wait fine. Na woman dey look for now who get character who wan stay with you. But I know the reason why mama talk that one. Because he dey hide say he marry and that marry now he dey do all that thing join her. The way they come out for outside they say a sexy grandmother. You know this one.
Mommy.
Charlie boy. Charlie brother. Charlie this. No, the way they talk, if they brag and you always they brag. I think say you know. I know be say she even still too old. I just say the born. We waiting old for them. Now 73, not be you never too old like that. So
hello, hold on. Huh? You know say one day Monica did do one program. Monica called the use of the frat say all this incessant grammar you believe say Suzy call in at that time you say oh my god we can't or where la go out in the day you know the day you know we are you know we in na call you where wagati me de me like on my when the black wear di me takpa mero wodo. What does that?
I see that video. Me video.
Okay, you see, you know the man when the oh now when you explain that here the day that is not that for no mama the no marry
Mama Bio
see what you say was
Mama Bio
side now. What should I raise it very well?
When me get mama na.
Papa what time?
When me get mama na. 49 imagine mama
Okay.
e mani say 52 ne a period in ya okakabo yere bibia me oni me no because we say yes
No,
Cause some they come.
no, not be
Some
your
depends. Now depends on the body where you get.
Wabota.
Now depends the body where you get.
Good evening. Welcome.
welcome
They just agree since una know the answer.
No, sorry, oh, good evening, my sister. Now depends the body where you get. Some people they in 53, they see. Some people they 40, they not they see again. Some people they 50, that they not just depend.
Yes.
Money
Now
they start
how
from
your hormone.
how your hormone be. Yeah, how your body be. Some from 35, some 40, some 45.
For 30
Even
years,
some-
they're not the see period. They go
no,
from
at all. Some
from
old women will be
45.
52, 53, they still they see some. Yeah.
What me I want to put for this matter so. Suzy, no tell you man. If to say
Don't tell am.
I go fit see that you man number, I for bring that Suzy video where he do. Come interpret am for the Oyibo man.
Yeah.
He not tell you Oyibo man no know. Say Suzy dey cheat. He no know. Suzy just put all those things for man. Say I tell her he can't give me shoulder crack. Na lie. All those ones na lie. So this is the word where they come out for a mouth. Only the one way be truth. Now be share this video. The rest of them na lie. As far I am concerned, this woman too they talk. Everything
No
when she
more
talk,
food.
even the one way say mama agree oh, the mama come in na lie. So
Na
this
lie.
is just lie.
Na lie.
Wait,
No mama dey
hold
do
on.
this. No
Only
matter.
the
Where we
word
can-
one for take
by
for
that
that
way.
video. Now be that share this video, share this. The good morning, good afternoon, na lie.
Wait, oh, my lovely adult people. Wait, Amy, we are going to normal journey. We are where we done it. Who don't want to oh, we hear what I mean when you feel like that. One way to where, and when you did your AK Benuna, he ain't coming here when you made black panel, he gave a cable. Or we hear now when no, or we know more folk been on the only yet done. Yeah?
I not believe that one. Oh yeah, but what you need buy me yata we to publicity party. Made no attack am. Me wa koniji. Emi je no to
Then me jenania as I did so. I'll cut them up because oh when mom sit down one place. Or you understand. Take your
down for them.
Why go around Tony?
Yeah, when Suzy another one be say when Suzy go dey mention people name, he say he can't tell Monica, he can't tell the other one. That word na lie. If to say Suzy tell those the friends, as I know they're rich, therefore say me he no talk say he dey for husband, therefore say me he tell your husband, me they talk say he don't come out for husband and since. So this is not tell anything.
oh
Now
wow
lie, this woman can't lie.
oh wow no ya sinia
Did you block my power bank?
oh
Now
wow
lie she dey lie.
you want me you take that
Adulterous is adulterous. She commit adulterous. Yes, she commit her. He dey for her blood. Yes, he dey for her blood.
Yeah, boy, you tell yeah boy say. You know say yeah boy we run ya. Only be fam. I will always small boys. One what time was small boys here lele. Oh yes, ya work on
network
oh where small boys so here lele networking man.
but here boy no word ma. Whether good or bad. Here boy is a single mother. Whether good or bad, I don't get blame. Anybody if your mama boy like na mama boy if you friend a boy of 20 years, I don't word na her choice.
Yes.
She
not the house.
Mama,
don't give up. Say she na married woman when they marry tradition way. He carry Osarie me go Nigeria. Go do tradition. Now make they drag your quick on now. And you know you know it no. E na gbe na.
okay
Mama, if to say Suzy tell Iye boy tell Monica, they get as they for take plan this matter. Take
No, see, if it be say, he tell Monica, because I see at that time when he just call Monica, oh no. A maga way live video, not call the do live video day. He called the tell Monica, say, I want to talk to you, I want to money way deadline. When me I bought that I did like mama.
I get the Monica ya deadline here ya tia e Monica la ni ete Monica la
Oh my worry like so maybe I'll tell me Monica where mama Even in Uniema, Emma was getting my Barry Blackwood. Emma was getting my big. Oh, when Mamma, the man, and I told you where could be. Oh, I think I thought we're pure. Ben of it, and I won't be with you. Oh, my career, no pure.
You won't sleep
Oh,
till.
I see you. You're it's been my rain.
Okay, Eminem, Mama, Eminem, Mommy Suzy Dotani, in about Dota where near Yasin the Monica or
That you're the one climbing that your leg on top.
Well, when I'm not telling you, doctor, why when no worries, you know? They ran in now and winner.
La la, Bagoni, mommy, okay, one here, one Monica. Monica, the truth of the matter is. Mommy Suzy, mommy Suzy na do bota me Monica. I'm a voiki onune. Say from the beginning. Boga ya bwe Rufus. Yeah, or Yahweh we God daughter. I will tell you with capital letter. No, the Monica is not aware. The Monica rema. Egbe rubbish ni o. When o wa kai de Monica on gbejo unu. I tell you the truth. Oh, gbejo unu.
Hello.
Mommy, you know what happened?
Hello.
People like say, Mommy, Suzy don't know, say they don't they blackmail her.
Hello.
Now you don't go meet Monica. Now what is this?
Yes. Hey, my brother.
Hello.
Hello.
La, why go? Have you Jimmy? Una dey hear me?
Hey, madam.
We dey hear you.
Mona know why we have Jimmy. He get one of my sister wey talk just now say. If you na still single mother, anything we like if you do. Now no verse until me I correct one thing wey me still take understand this life. Because why? I dey always talk and say the family, the home where every individual for come, it matter for everybody life. You understand? If you be single mother, you no get the purity, get the audacity say make you dey carry different man. They enter house where your children be. Is another. I'm coming. Sorry. Is another. Are they come? Is another damage to the children mental health. You understand? It's another damage to the children mental health. You know one thing in this life, eh? One thing I believe in this life is not by single or by married or by being with man will make you responsible. What will make you responsible determine where you are coming from. And I always believe on that thing. It determines where you are coming from. The home you came out from is very important in life. And a lady of 75 years coming out disgracing it, saying this thing, is not disgracing itself, it's disgracing his children.
Right.
Exactly.
It's not disgracing itself, it's disgracing his children. You get what Piki go do one day now. If Piki husband go tell her, say, come on there, your mama will do husband house, we go they sleep around. What will you say? Tomorrow now somebody will say that man is a bad man. That man is not a bad man. Is the mother of that his wife that is a bad mother.
You know the problem we there now. Mama boy now.
Develop my Samsung.
You know that stuff. All the children don't grow. They're Nigeria.
Am I not charging the Samsung?
The difference.
Now the difference is that one. So
now the difference because tagging a rogue web. Iye boy, mama gonna attack a rogue web boy.
Mama boy never
so that is the difference, my brother. A different in a raw anything. That even here, well, I don't know the mommy cat about where although he beg even in Yakia, although beg where he's oranda or he go away. You know what, Wakere, and we are one understand. No, not do bragado, and I hear most of them marry when he must have made no, what I said.
Voila, not too much.
Oh, Joey, that's why.
I think the orgasm way they find don't get an eye, mind don't come down.
It don't say don't tire.
The orgasm where he come announce. I don't know why mature woman will come the announce saying na orgasm mama. So what if they expect make boys do before?
Mama B, like drop him in and this again the silver corner. Drop him in later.
Okay, later.
You can advertise yourself, say you be orgasm mama. Now be boy say come now make I come out your orgasm for your body. You can't give him money.
Now they give her woto.
Give her. You want try black man. Eh? For mama body.
But mommy, but mommy, if me here see a Rufus, I move here over mommy Suzy. I move.
You not go pay. Yeah, not go pay me that pay.
What you want
no, not the money. And
we need justice for her.
Not the total water. Not talk. Yeah, move.
Yeah, it's an orgasm and orgasm where you find. It don't advertise. It's an orgasm mama. So what do you expect my brother do? Orgasm where you find. Brother help him. I don't know why mature people just online video they shall say now orgasm. So what do you expect brother to do?
Orgasm. No. Hello. You know say me dey brother. You know say I don't introduce orgasm. Me don't know say playing one. Oh God.
Yeah, mama, the truth be say any woman wey useless like this, I dey happy if they help me useless her.
Thank you for the gift. Thank you for the gift.
If you say na innocent woman now, I go dey bless for that brother. As if you say na useless woman, as they just useless am so, I just like am.
Hey.
If I go see say Rita, they go send me the video where they tell the truth, they orgasm. Me go find. I go pay people money. Me they go help me for the pikin, send the video for the pikin. Because he na useless, he want useless, so we go help her. If we dey help them like this, they go stop am. But if we dey cover for them,
they tell you,
they spoil the state's name. Yes. I just state for wetin now. May we dey help them. Me, if wetin I go fit do now, they talk so. If they never give me that video now, I go find person wey go help me find his daughter. I go send her for the daughter.
Now, good evening.
If you get my money, I go send her for the daughter.
Hi, Mama. The matter tire me. I want to ask one question. I beg. How old the woman and the man be?
Rufus na 55, Mama na 51 to 52.
Okay, and then Rufus I say 55.
Rufus na 55. Rufus.
Oh yeah, now you where in orange.
Let me say the man na baby. The man don't forget children. For that in old age, now they do this nonsense for that man. Exactly. Now I want to talk, Mama. The man don't forget wife and children before.
I want to say that kind of 30 years old person, no.
No, according to the woman say, oh wait,
Nah, Mama Suzy, who I'm not sure say she get good advisor. Although she's a victim, I don't know. And she said she never. I listened to her. I said she never experienced that before. But so people when they one thing. You know why I the verse what I'm be saying. The way that they talk for social media because she feel be victim. I understand because love can make you do anything.
Yeah.
You know understand.
Sister.
Top of Facebook
wait.
Small children.
Wait, hello. Mona, no verse.
One by one,
hello.
Please.
One by one, if person
no
dey talk,
verse.
make the
Mona,
other
no
person
verse,
talk.
Oh.
Sorry. Mona, no verse, Somebody talk one word, you understand? That word, that word pay me for body. what is the meaning? Why be say when some women do something wey be say they give other responsible women stain, some people go want to defend them with some statements say that woman fit be a victim of those. A woman of 50-something, 70-something years.
Very dirty word.
I'm coming. Sorry, I'm coming. I'm coming. Excuse. Wait, I dey come. A woman of 70-something years, I mean 60-something years, the man also is above 50. What is the meaning of victim? Do you know when you say somebody is a victim of something, you will be talking about child abuse, all those little children. Whenever
get sense.
Whenever it's a thing, don't be person. Or another okay.
Don't make children they deal. Say in their husband house, that one is say for victim, not be only small pikin, not be the victim of circumstances.
Exactly.
No, not be only small pikin. I don't the feel for victim.
I not agree with you. I disagree with you. Now anybody waiting at victim.
Say in their husband house, do that